Welcome, wanderers, to our 4K travel guide showcasing the top 6 places to visit in France. From charming villages to iconic landmarks, France offers a tapestry of experiences waiting to be explored. Place 1, Paris, the City of Lights. Our journey begins in the dazzling capital city of Paris, known as the City of Lights. Explore the majestic Eiffel Tower, stroll along the romantic Seine River, and marvel at world-renowned museums like the Louvre and Musée d'Orsay, Place and Hilltop. Next, venture into the picturesque region of Provence, where rolling lavender fields and charming hilltop villages await. Lose yourself in the vibrant markets of Avignon, wander through the historic streets of Aix-en-Provence, and savor the flavors of traditional Provençal cuisine. Place 3, French Riviera, glamour and Mediterranean charm. Journey south to the French Riviera, where glamour meets Mediterranean charm. Relax on the sun-kissed harbor of Saint-Tropez. Explore the enchanting Loire Valley, a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its fairytale castles and châteaux. Discover the grandeur of Château de Chambord, the elegance of Château de Chenonceau, and the charm of medieval villages nestled along the Loire River. Place 5, Mont Saint-Michel, a journey to the mystical island of Mont Saint-Michel, a marvel of medieval architecture rising from the sea. Explore the narrow streets and alleys of this UNESCO-listed site. Atop the 6, Bordeaux. Our final destination is Bordeaux, the wine capital of the world and a paradise for wine enthusiasts. Tour the prestigious vineyards of the Bordeaux wine region, indulge in renowned châteaux. Journey through France comes to a close. We hope you've been inspired to explore these. Captivate the glamour of the French. If you enjoyed this 4K travel guide, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures around the globe. Until next